Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve the no audio output device is installed error message that you're experiencing on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So if you're having this issue and no audio device is installed and audio is not working, and then I'll show you how to resolve it. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and dito sa search for apps, so kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung troubleshoot settings, and then i-click mo lang dito yung open. So dito sa troubleshoots, under dito lang sa options ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung other troubleshooters, so click mo lang yan. So dito sa other troubleshooters, under dito sa most frequent, ay select mo lang dito yung audio, okay? So kailangan mo lang i-click dito sa right side yung run. Alright? So ituturo ko lang sa inyo mga kaibigan yung guide kasi baka mawalan tayo ng audio once na click natin ito. Right? So kapag click mo to ay may makikita ka ditong detecting issues, initializing, and diagnostic process. Once na complete na yon, and then other solution na pwede natin gawin. So close lang natin to. And then dito lang ulit sa start menu. So right click ka lang. And select mo lang dito yung settings. So dito sa left side menu, and then select mo lang dito yung system. And dito lang sa right side ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung sound. So click mo lang yan. And then kailangan mo lang mag-scroll down. And then under dito sa advanced, and then select mo lang dito yung more sound settings. So click mo lang yan. And pop up itong kanyang sound settings. So dito lang sa taas ay select mo lang dito yung playback, okay? So dito sa playback ay kailangan mo lang i-enable ito. So once nakita mo dito na naka-disable siya, so kailangan mo lang siyang enable, okay? And then next, i-click mo lang dito yung apply, and then i-click mo lang dito yung okay. Alright, so in other solution ulit na pwede natin gawin. So dito lang sa search menu, so click mo lang siya, and dito sa search for apps, so i-type mo lang dito yung device manager, and then click mo lang dito yung open. And dito sa device manager, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung audio inputs and outputs. Okay, ito siya. So i-click mo lang yung arrow na yan para mag-expand. And next step ay select mo lang dito yung speakers audio, ito siya. So kailangan mo lang select yan, and then right click ka lang. And kailangan mo na itong i-enable siya or i-update mo tong kanyang driver, okay? So once na-update mo na yan or na-enable mo, and other solution ulit na pwede natin gawin, so close lang natin tong device manager. So dito lang ulit sa search menu, and dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung services, and click mo lang dito yung open. So dito sa services local, ang next step ay kailangan lang natin i-locate dito yung Windows Audio. So, scroll down lang tayo and select mo lang dito yung Windows Audio, and then select mo lang siya, and kailangan mo lang mag-double click and pop up itong kanyang Windows Audio properties. So, dito lang sa General and dito lang sa Startup Type. So, kailangan mo lang select dito yung Automatic, and then dito lang sa kanyang Service Status, kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung Start, and then click mo lang dito yung Apply, and then click mo lang dito yung OK. Alright, and then dito lang sa start menu at kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang yan. Okay, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix the no audio device installed or found in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.